I may have lost the intro to this video, but if you want to see me get ready for my 90s night fundraiser and wear this bomb outfit, then keep watching. Okay, so I already did like the base of my makeup, just because that's like my everyday makeup and it's not really gonna change that much for like a throwback wise. So I just did my like foundation on my eyebrows. So I'm gonna do like super nudie eyeshadow, just because I want my like cheeks and everything and my lips to be more of the focus than my eyes. And I don't want everything clashing together. I was like super tempted to do a god-awful blue eyeshadow, which was like super huge, especially in the early 2000s. But I think that no one can rock that, especially a girl with blue eyes. It'd be like super clashy. So I didn't do it. Instead, I have my favorite thing in the world, which is my like mini naked palette, the only one I could afford. So, and then I just take the lightest color and put it all over, and then I take like a medium color and then just blot it all over my crease, I guess. I'm not like a super good makeup guru, but figured I'd include this in there. So to give you guys some context about the night and what I'm doing, I, as in me and the business I work for, is throwing a fundraiser. We're a not-for-profit, kind of like my city's art council, and me and my boss were like debating ideas for like a dance night that we could have at our local like indie-ish bar that we would partner with, and we both immediately said like 90s throwback night. So that is why I'm getting ready now in sort of like 90s throwbacky attire. So unfortunately I won't film tonight at all, because I don't want to bring my camera there, but maybe I'll insert pictures because it will happen by the time I edit this video. So yeah, I will throw some little Polaroids that I took at the throwback party. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna do is add on cloud paint, my Glossier cloud paint, as my blush all over my cheeks. I did a little tutorial for this on TikTok, but I guess this kind of counts as a mini tutorial. I just gotta put dots like all over my face and then kind of like a line. And then I just leave it like that. I take a blush brush and just blot her out. I get a lot of questions on my Instagram asking me how to do it, so that's why I made the like little TikTok video. But I have to say that this is so much easier if you do it with a liquid blush instead of like actual blush. Kind of looks like I have hives all over my face, but you just blend it out until it doesn't look like that. I also saw this post that said like Visco girls are like the new 90s girls, so I really think that my makeup could look super Visco girly today. I also did my eyebrows normally, and me and my boss were talking about how like super thin eyebrows were in. I never thankfully went through that phase. I did go through the phase of not doing my eyebrows at all, like everyone did at some point. But yeah, I never did the like overly plucked, gross, thin eyebrows, which like a blessing because nobody looks good like that. Cool, and then I always just take the same cloud paint, and it's so versatile. I just grab a little bit of it and then put it on my lips. And then if I have any remainder, I'll just put it all over my cheeks. The real trick of this is putting it on your nose, because I think it makes it look so much more like little blushy girl. And then am I gonna add freckles in? I might add a little bit of freckles. It's so funny. I did my freckles the other day by just like drawing them on, and my best friend of literally like 12 years now, like something ridiculous, was like, oh my god, I never noticed you had freckles. But like I literally just drew them on. Like I'm that good apparently that she just forgot that I never had freckles in my life. It's pretty easy to do too. I just do little dots all over my face, and if they look bad, then I just kind of dab them with my finger. I'm just using my eyebrow brush for this. I've never done it with the blush, so I don't know if it'll be too much, but worst case, I will just add more blush and pretend I don't have these freckles. So as far as outfits go for the night, I have a few different options in my head. I don't really want to buy new items just for this one night, just because it's kind of wasteful unless I really do feel like I'll wear them again. But the store in my town is offering this like insane sale, and if you buy an article of clothing, an article gets donated to a local charity. So I do kind of feel like if I need to go and buy something, it'll be ridiculously cheap and I won't feel insanely bad about it, because it's kind of like good for my community. So I might do that. I don't know. I'll take you guys along. We'll see how this day unfolds. It's only like 10 a.m. and the event isn't until, again, 9 o'clock at night. So I'm so excited, but I know that I'm gonna spend the majority of the night just working the door. But as long as I look cute, that's what matters, right? I'll do a few freckles up here so they look even realer. You might just think they're acne because I have so much acne right now, but whatever. I feel like it's so much more Visco Girl than 90s just by drawing on the freckles, but I'm not complaining about that. Cool. Next, I'm just gonna put on mascara because I totally forgot to and could have done that already. Just curl my eyelashes first. There's no freaking way I'm looking in the camera when I'm doing this. Who just opened my door? Are you coming to visit? Is that you? Now I'm just gonna pull out my super old Carly Bybel palette and put on highlight. I have some of these sparkles I'm gonna put on. Now I gotta wear sparkles all day. So I ended up getting 2 t-shirts because they were $3 and then another shirt was being donated to a local charity. So I show you what I got. Obviously I'll try them on later, but this is the pre-show. This is probably the shirt I'm gonna end up wearing because you'll see in a second the kilt I have has a red on it, so it'll like tie into this. And then I also got this one because honestly I just want it as a like actual t-shirt. Like both of these things I'm not just gonna end up wearing to the 90s night. I also ended up getting some like super high socks for the outfit too. And to be fair, I will totally wear these again. Oh. So right now, and I should totally plug it in, but I'm talking to you guys, I'm gonna curl my hair and then probably put this scrunchie in. I just got this scrunchie too, but again, it's something I will wear for so long after. It's not just for this one night. Okay, so I didn't make my bed, so pardon my mess, but I laid out all of the potential outfits that I might wear. I have, this is the kilt I was talking about, it's kind of Burberry pattern, but it's not a Burberry kilt. My high socks and scrunchie, but I have so many options. There's this Shein skirt with the LA top I just bought. Honestly, I'm just gonna try all of them on and mix and match. This outfit is like my everyday go-to outfit. If I'm like at a party, I'll just throw on my mom jeans and it's a pajama top, but this boohoo pajama top. But I feel like it could be super 90s and it's so comfy, and if I get bloated then I don't need to worry about it because it's like cropped. And then this dress is kind of 90s. I'll just try a bunch of them on and see which one I'm feeling. Oh, I'm so lazy though. Okay, option number 1. You guys have totally seen this on my TikTok before. It was my Taurus outfit for my Taurus TikTok. If you guys aren't following me on TikTok, then maybe you're missing out. I love this dress. It's got this cool back detail from Urban Outfitters. And when I posted on my Instagram, you guys seriously all asked where to get it, that I swear I sold like 3 of these dresses. It still is like a bar-ish kind of night, so I don't know how bar it is, but I love it so much. But also, if I'm like bloated, you can tell, so. Okay, I don't know if I like this combination of top and little skirt together, but I do love the top. I'm so happy I bought it. I just don't think that this will be the number I wear tonight. It feels very Oktoberfesty and a little less 90s throwback, even though I'm sure it is 90s throwback in some way. Okay. This is so far my second choice. It just depends on if I want to wear this or the dress or not. Like this is totally easier to wear. I also put my high socks on. You guys can't really see. Okay, probably the last outfit I can film before the sun sets, so good thing it's my last outfit. Yeah, this is like my go-to one. Like I've worn it like every day to every party I ever go to. I don't know, this is so comfy. Like the thing is that if I choose to wear this, I know that I feel good in it and I know I look good in it. That sounds so vain. That I know I'll be happy wearing this, so I've got a pretty hard deliberation to do. I'll probably just send through pictures to my friend and see what she says and just take her opinion for it and last minute change my mind and change it to something else like I'm sure everyone else does. Okay, I feel like this is so Mean Girls. Actually, I bet I could find a picture of like a very similar Mean Girls outfit and put it next to you. I don't know if I'm feeling like being a mean girl tonight, but it's definitely an option. Still have my socks on. Also, by the way, I know I said I would curl my hair on camera, and my curling iron is on the floor, so I keep like changing my outfit and accidentally stepping on it a million times. Okay, I think I'm going with this. The pigtails make me look kind of like a kid though. Do I keep the pigtails? I don't know. I'm also kind of feeling the little kid look though. But I'm gonna stand up and you guys are gonna be like, where did that outfit come from? Because the skirt, totally not one of my options. Let me back up. I think this is what I'm gonna end up wearing. It's like a little kind of cheerleading outfit, but it's also so close to Valentine's Day that I feel like this works. It could not work. You guys could be watching this being like, that's so not what I was expecting you to wear, but pretty happy with it. Yeah, so I ended up not wearing that outfit I showed you and wore this one instead. So yeah, don't have footage of that outfit because I decided last minute, but I have a photo. So I also had a really good night and we raised a bunch of money for our fundraiser. Bye. I'm not going to film the rest of the night, but thank you guys for watching and being a part of this video. I'm excited to have a good night tonight. So I hope you guys do too, whatever you're doing. Like this video if you like this video, and subscribe if you guys feel like subscribing, and I will see you guys in my next video. Have a good one. And I'm sure I will too. Bye.